The Carter Brothers. Start at 800 Royal on the corner of St. Anne. We begin in 1932, during the Great Depression. Brothers John and Wayne Carter lived in the building on the corner. Normal guys with normal jobs. One morning, a woman escaped the building, running down Royal Street terrified. Her wrists were slashed just enough to let blood, but not enough to kill her quickly. She told the police that the brothers had cut her wrists and drank her blood, but they were careless securing her ropes when they left for work. However, they would find other victims securely tied in the building. Sure enough, several other people were bound with similarly slashed wrists. The police were waiting for the brothers when they returned, and they confessed that they were vampires and wanted to be stopped. They were tried as serial killers and executed by the state of Louisiana. The brothers were buried in their family tomb. When they opened the vault to bury the next family member, no remains of the brothers were found. So is it true? This legend does not appear in the French Quarter from 1936, nor in the New Orleans City Guide from 1938, both so close to the claimed date of the legend. A wonderful blog from 2021 is entitled HowDeathPenaltyUSA.org helped debunk a New Orleans vampire tale. That is a promising headline. In the article, Courtney Brock debunks this legend every which way, including that there were no Carter brothers who were executed by the state ever, much less in 1932, and that serial killers did not yet exist as a concept in 1932. During a lecture entitled The Evolution of Horror Tours in New Orleans at the New Orleans City Archives and Special Collections, Randy Bibb shared that he worked for one of the original tour companies, and that the legend was made up by the owner of Magic Walking Tours, Richard Rochester, around 1993. Rochester admitted he made it up. I found this press still on eBay with the photographer's original caption and the description of the story. Randy also shared a similar write-up that was published in the early 90s during his talk. The description reads, quote, "If the stories he tells seem a bit incredible, it's because he sort of makes some of them up," unquote.